Successful people don't just drift off to the top. Getting there requires focused action, personal discipline, and lots of energy every day to make things happen. Say American author and motivational speaker Jack Canfield. And he couldn't be more accurate. Habits are the foundation of our everyday lives. We build our daily practices, and eventually, our habits and routine shape us. We either build good habits that support us as we move towards our goals, or bad ones that undermine our ability to achieve and succeed. Habits shape our life far more than you probably realize. Habits are very strong. In fact, our brains cling to them at the exclusion of all else, including common sense. More than 40% of the action you perform each day aren't actual decisions, but habits. Not only are habits important, they grow stronger and stronger over time and become more and more automatic. So make sure you have the right ones. The automation of your action free up energy that can be used focused to other tasks. This can work to your advantage. But if a bad habit is created, you need to change it, to interrupt it, and install a new one. Unless you intentionally fight a bad habit and replace it with new routines, the pattern will unfold automatically over and over again every time the habit is activated by the trigger. Your brain cannot tell the difference between bad and good habits. You have to do that. Decide what action or routine you would like to have and use the habit loop to your advantage. The key to creating positive change for yourself is to make your desired action into habits. The good news is that habits aren't destiny. All habits can be ignored, changed, or replaced. But it's not easy because a habit never truly disappears. It is merely replaced by new habits. So don't let old habits hold you back. Start building these simple yet essential habits for a happier and more productive life. Create a morning ritual. The morning is a powerful time of day. It is during the first moment of waking that your mind is shifting from the subconscious stages of sleep into the more conscious stage of reality. During this transition, your mind and heart are open, alive, and just waiting to soak up the energy of a new day. Starting the morning with self care, love, and acceptance can help shift our mental dialogue and allow space for us to truly flourish in our daily life. The morning is also a time when our intuition is more readily accessible and your creativity and motivation are at their highest. This is why it is commonly believed that how you spend the first 30 minutes after waking will determine the energy with which you move through the rest of the day. Maybe you like to meditate or enjoy doing deep breathing exercises. Whatever it is that makes you feel supercharged, kickstart your day with that habit. Establishing a meaningful morning ritual helps you start your day on a positive, proactive note. Having a structured start to your day instead of rushing to make up for the lost time also helps eliminate stress, mental fatigue, and enhances your productivity. Make time for exercise. Other than improving your physical health, working out regularly pumps up creativity and enhances your cognitive skill. It's also an effective way to build endurance and get energized. And if you are still not convinced, exercising also alleviates mood by boosting the production of endorphins, hormone that act as natural antidepressant. Appreciate more. We can complain because rose bushes have thorns or rejoice because thorns have roses. It's easy to get caught up in the rat race and forget how fortunate you are. Practicing gratitude is a great way to create positivity, reduce stress, and improve your physical health. How can you cultivate this healthy habit? Start a gratitude journal, volunteer, take time to appreciate your loved ones, and remind yourself of at least one thing you are grateful for every day before going to bed. The more you appreciate the little joy of life, the happier you will be. Read, read, and read. Reading books is a great way to gain knowledge and stimulate creativity. Reading is one of the best qualities that a person can possess. Books are known to be the best friend of a person for a reason. Reading contributes in a big way in building an individual's confidence, apart from helping reducing stress, and puts him on her or her in a better mood. Once a person starts reading books and makes it a regular habit, he or she will eventually get addicted to it. Reading is the best kind of refreshment a person needs, especially amid a hectic life schedule. Reading also improves focus and has a calming effect similar to meditation. Moreover, reading before bedtime can help you sleep better. Non-fiction books, in particular, are an excellent tool to broaden horizon, develop new ideas, and seek motivation. Additionally, they also offer actionable advice on how to overcome all kind of challenging situation through real life example. Surround yourself with positive people. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, said American author and entrepreneur Jim Rohn. This is precisely why you should carefully consider who you are spending time with. Let go of relationships that bring you down instead of lifting you up, and spend time with people who know how to nurture and share happiness. Since happiness is contagious, it is one of the easiest way to create positivity in your life. Learn to single task. The problem is there is no such thing as multitasking, and even if it is true, only 2% people in the world can multitask successfully. As multiple studies have confirmed, true multitasking, doing more than one task at the same time, is a myth. People who think they can split their attention between multiple tasks at once aren't actually getting more done. In fact, they are doing less, getting more stressed out, and performing worse than those who single task. While there is no harm in occasional multitasking, constant juggling between tasks limits your focus and contributes to mental clutter by making it difficult for your brain to filter out irrelevant information. This is why you should try to single task as much as possible. Make a list of things you need to accomplish in a day. Start with what's most important and make your way down the list, completing one task at a time. Follow the 80-20 rule. The Pareto's principle or the 80-20 rule is an aphorism which asserts that 80% of outcome or output result from 20% of all causes or inputs for any given event. So you can maximize productivity by investing most of your time and energy on those specific tasks that will create the highest impact. Once you have finished those tasks, you can focus on other activities that are on your to-do list. Go for social media detox. The digital world has taken over almost every aspect of our lives. The average person have 5 social media accounts and spend at least 1 hour and 40 minutes every day on checking social media. Research shows that the more time you spend on a social media site, the more likely you are to develop depression. Take time to cut back on social media to reduce stress and mental clutter. Switch off your phone and laptop for a few hours every day to improve your mood and reconnect with the world around you. Spend time in silence. In an increasingly loud and stressful world, more people are discovering the benefits and power of silence. It helps us live consciously. Silence can wake us up and provide meaningful answer in our life. Silence can increase self-awareness, self-compassion, and improve decision-making skill with improved mental clarity. It can enhance conversation. By choosing silence, you will naturally listen more and others have the opportunity to share more, enhancing your relationship. It's a tool for increased emotional regulation. Silence can be the space between a feeling and a response. Take silence, pause, and choose your response calmly and wisely. Invest in self care. Taking some time off to unwind can do wonder for your mood, mental health, and self esteem. Do at least one thing every day that makes you feel good. Listen to music, learn a new skill, prepare a nice meal, maintaining a terrace garden, or simply painting. Developing these habits require determination, patience, and constant effort. Maybe it will take just a few weeks or maybe more than a year. It doesn't matter how long it takes to build the habit as long as you don't give up. Developing a foundation for healthy habits will greatly benefit you for the rest of your life. Developing good habit isn't an impossible task and with right determination and practice you can make the process easier. Thank you.